is Enugu, and I'm studying content engineering at Hookninjas Ltd. So I'm here live at Crescent Hotel where they are running some installations like the inverter and the wireless internet system. So we're also running other installations like the NG server switch with DND and the clean function, as well as the AI sound system. We're also running for them the fire alarm system and many more. So we'll be going in shortly now so I can show you everything. As you can see, they're stretching the wire out so it will be straight and not too trying to running through that place. Because in the pipe, it has to be straight. This is the reception. In here we have the speaker, as you can see. We have our smoke detector and we have our inverter, which has been fully programmed and powered. But we're waiting for the hotel to probably be in order before we can commission the inverter. So if you come over here, you can see the television,
AI sound.
which has been built to all the speakers using the AI sound system. Here you can see the television cable and you can see the speaker cable. So now this speaker is going to connect to all the speakers in the reception. So the AI sound system works in such a way that if an announcement wants to be given, all the speakers in the hotel, they stop giving the the television audio and then start to give the announcement audio. So that's how the AI sound system works. So I'll be showing you more now. So this is the hallway. In every hallway we have one speaker and one monitor, as well as the bell and the green glass. So you can see the green glass and you can see the bell. All these are connected to our fire alarm system, as well as the smoke detector. So in every hallway we have one speaker, one smoke detector. So this is the manager's office. We also have our smoke detector and the speaker connected to our air sound system. I also have a camera here. So in this hotel we have about 150 plus cameras successfully installed and open. So surveillance in this hotel is very well equipped. So these are our smart switches. So these are the air conditioning switches and then these are for the lights. So this switch is working in a way that you don't need to get a loud noise before you can turn this on and off. So if I connect these switches to the internet, I can be able to enable voice control. So these are the functions of Hookninjas smart switches. We have both the speaker and the fire alarm system. So the speaker is the detectors. So this is the television cable for the air sound system, as well as the wire for the speaker. That's this one up here. Okay, so now we'll be going into the control room. Now this is the control room. This is where everything happens. So as you can see here, we have different cables coming out from different places. First here you can see that we have the intercom cables directly straight out PABX box. So this is what helps the intercom so you can be able to call the reception without making use of any SIM card or anything, So like we also have our speaker cables coming out from here. So these are also intercom cables, but these are 10 pairs, and then these are 2 pairs intercom cables. So
2 pairs?
What?